Mama. First, this is sugar. This is flour, cocoa, eggs, more eggs, pecans, and brown sugar. And we also need vanilla extract, sunflower oil, but we can also use vegetable oil and butter. That's my favorite butter. By the way, we also need salt in this recipe. Let's start now. First, I'll melt the butter and the vegetable oil or sunflower oil. But I'm already big now, so I can mix these. I'll be careful. So let's start baking. First, I'll put the flour. And then the cocoa. And then we mix them together. And then I'll put the white sugar. And then the brown sugar. And then mix them all together. Now I'll put it to the dry ingredients. Until well combined. They're like cat food. And then I'll put one of the egg. One at a time. And then another egg. And then mix them. They look like something else. They look like chocolate. And then I'll put the egg yolk. That's the egg yolk. And then I'll put some salt. And then now I'll put the vanilla extract. About 1 teaspoon. And then mix them very well. It looks like ice cream. This is optional, but we can also put some pecans. Yeah. Let me taste. No, it tastes like sweet. It tastes sweet. It tastes sweet, yum. Now we'll put it to the baking pan, but look at my hand. It's dirty. Yeah. It's dirty chocolate. Meow. But let's spread it. Spread, 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 spread. Now it's ready. I'll put it in the oven in 30 minutes.